All right, so I just got this in the mail, and looks like a security camera, I do believe, made by Vimtag. Let's see if it'll open up for me. Oh, look at that. Bam. Very stylish. It's got like a special thing. Oh, look at that bad boy. He looks like a little robot, doesn't he? Let's pull him out of here. All right, so this is the camera itself. You can see it's got a special thing on the bottom that you can, tie it into something if you're going to mount it. I think we've got to pull this off of here. Okay, so that's off. Put that over there. Okay, so now there it is. It looks like it rotates, and I think it goes this way and this way. So what else do you get with this thing? All right, so this looks like a battery here. Oh no, look, oh, wow, check it out. We actually got a block with this, which you usually never get blocks. Regular USB block, some screws in case you want to attach it somewhere. And this is the thing that you would hook it to, and then you can attach this, like if you want to put it on the ceiling or something. And then this is your cable. And it looks like it's pretty long. It looks like it's probably about 6 feet. It's a regular, one of those old like Android type USBs to regular USB. That's everything that's in it so far. And then I do believe we've got some directions, right? Put that there. And it has a couple other things in here. Oh, look at that. These are little templates that you can use to, if you're going to screw this into something. So let's put those back there. And so basically all you do is plug it in. I don't think it has a battery in it. I think it has to be plugged in for it to work, with this. So we can do that and then set it up. I do believe I will probably have to download an application. Yep, see that right there? And it works like every other camera that that they send you. But yeah, so that's what comes in the box. All right, our next video will show you how it works. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out the one where we show you how to download the app and use this thing. Peace out.